Are you unable to create another Instagram account on your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and most effective ways to fix this issue and successfully create a new Instagram account. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before doing anything else, check your email or phone number or try a new one. Try creating via a browser, then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn off any VPN connection if you're activated. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Remove saved login info. First, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone. Then tap on Profile from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal line in the top right. Now tap Account Center, then tap Password and Security. From here, you will see the Saved Login option. Tap on it, make sure to toggle it off, then tap Remove to confirm. Now go back, scroll down to the bottom, tap Log Out, tap Not Now, then tap Log Out again. Close the app from the recent taskbar as well. Again, open up the Instagram app. Now try to create another account. Hopefully everything is working fine now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.